Hey guys, Joey here from awesomecameras.com. It's November 1st, 2018, and this is Today in Film number 9. First up on the list, guys, real excited. This guy's getting back in the mix more often. Matt Day put out a video all about how he loves and uses and has been using Kodak Ultramax 400, and that it's his go-to kind of cheap color film. I've only shot it a couple times in the past, but I might have to give it another chance. Up next, Eduardo Pavez Goye with another video with just a camera that I've been wanting to get my hands on. Haven't done it yet, but the Lomo LCA 120. I've been wanting to check one out for a while, and his video just got me even more excited about trying one out myself. Adrian from AOWS House put out a video about him, which is actually really interesting because if you remember in the early episodes of Today in Film, I didn't even know his name. His name's Adrian. That's about all I really knew about him, was his name after that. But he put in a video and kind of addresses the fact that he's been making these videos, he's getting a following, and he's never really talked about himself, where he's from, what he does, like anything like that. So it was really cool to see his video about that and really get to know him a little better. Nico from Nicos Photography Show put out a episode about where to buy new film cameras. Now we know there's plenty of places to buy film cameras out there, but there aren't a whole lot of people making new cameras, and he kind of made a list of a bunch of companies that are, in fact, still making new film cameras and kind of put them all into one place. I think that's a great resource. A few of them I had never heard of, so I'm gonna have to go check those out myself. A channel called Fix Old Cameras put out a short video about light seal replacement. If you're replacing light seals in a camera, definitely good to know. I have changed a few light seals myself and can always use a few more tips and tricks. And in general, if you're looking for camera repair advice, this is a good channel. They do a lot of basic repairs on some pretty more common cameras. So definitely like AE1, Pentax K1000, like those types of cameras. They have a bunch of videos going over some repairs for those types of cameras. Next up, King Jvpes, back at it with another video. In this one, he goes over 5 accessories that you should have in your bag as a film photographer. If you're shooting some film out there and you open your bag and you feel like something's missing, maybe go have a look at this video and see what he recommends. We've got David Hancock with another negative flaws video. They've been mostly about developing film. This one is him showing you what happens if your fixer is bad. If you're having problems with developing, you can watch this video. He'll show you what to look for and what to keep an eye out for to know if your fixer has gone bad and it's time to replace it. And back with another video out of New Zealand, Paul C. Smith. Man, I'm loving this guy's videos. This one is him going out and shooting with this vintage folding camera that he found. The message he's trying to get across in this video is, you know, with all the new digital gear and all the new numbers and megapixels and dynamic range and all the specs everyone's so worried about, that it's not really about the camera. And he went out and made some great images with this camera that's almost 100 years old that he's really happy with. And that's something I try to drive home on my channel as well. That it's not about the camera, it's about the photographer and you making images you're happy with as a photographer. So another one out of Paul C. Smith, definitely worth checking out. I think I'm gonna need to go and rewatch that one. I really enjoyed it. And now for the Instagram account of the day. Do you wanna know what the Instagram account of the day is? It's your Instagram account. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go in the comments, leave your Instagram handle, and maybe leave a couple things that you're interested in as far as film photography goes. Maybe the cameras you shoot with, what film you like. Maybe you don't own a certain camera and you like researching it on Instagram and all that, but then there's another catch. I want you to go look up someone else's account that looks like your interests may align and go leave them a comment about their account. Tell them something you like about it. This whole thing we're trying to do here is just build a community of film photographers, and I think that might be a good way to do it. So get down in the comments, leave your Instagram handle, make some friends, and have a good day. We'll see you next time.